Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. We're going to take a look at Onyxcoin. So Onyxcoin right now is sitting on top of our 50% of our Fibonacci level, especially after a long run. But is the support strong enough to hold, or the bears are going to take over the marketplace? We're going to take a look at the daily time frame. But before we take a look at the charts itself, we can see Onyxcoin is trading at 0.01804. Volume is down 32% in the last 24 hours, and price as well is down 4%. As we take a look on the daily time frame, here it is. We're just hugging around the 50% of our Fibonacci at 0.01773. Now, this level is very crucial here. It's where the bulls really need to show up if they want to defend the recent gains that Onyxcoin has had ever since the breakout on April 9th. Earlier this month here, we did see a move towards the 0.008 zone all the way up to our 78% of our Fibonacci at 0.00232. So huge strides here from that break on April 9th. Now we're going to see if momentum is able to continue in the next 24 to 48 hours. When we take a look at our RSI here, we're around 43%. So this does indicate some neutral to slight bearish momentum. The MACD indicator as well, we're showing a lot of negative histograms here. So these bars itself is in the red. We see a cross between our K and our D line. So that shows different momentum shift here, and the sellers may be coming in hard in the next couple of hours. Now, volume also has dropped. If we take a look at coin market cap, 32% here, which does show some signals of hesitation and indecisions between both bulls and the bears. When we look at immediate support areas here, we have the 50% of our Fibonacci level dated all the way back from February 21st to the 23rd, acting as a good area of support. But more importantly, immediate support here was dated back in mid-April that we saw support. So we are most definitely going to be testing that and see if the bulls are able to reclaim this area and defend it once again. On the flip side here, if we do see bulls are defending the 50%, 0.01773. Most likely, we're going to come up and retest the 61% of our Fibonacci right at that 2 cents. We can already see it was a pretty hard barrier to keep the 61% of the Fibonacci really at bay. We've seen a lot of stride attempts here and failed attempt in holding this area of support. Another thing to kind of take a look at the charts as well as volatility. So we know crypto is very volatile. Price can change immediately here. As we take a look at Onyxcoin daily time frame, we can see that the volatility is slowing down from the upper band and the lower band. So as we see these two bands itself collide together, it means lower volatility. Price may not move fairly quickly here. What we do anticipate when we're watching the Bollinger Bands is a basically tight squeeze and then an expansion showing us higher volatility is going to come into the marketplace, and that's going to be where the breakout is going to occur. So it may be a long consolidation phase where we're coming down to this area of support, resistance support until we see that next move here, but definitely watch your eye out on 0.0177 as the crucial area of support. If we are not able to hold that, we can kind of come down to our next area of support at 0.01648. I kind of do expect bulls to really defend here for Onyxcoin, especially that breakout that we did see, and hopefully break above that 61% of our Fibonacci. But definitely let me know what you guys think that's going to happen next. Are we going to head even lower than our two secondary supporting areas, or do you think the bulls are going to come in strong here, defend that 50%, and then continue on towards higher resistance? But thank you guys so much for watching. Like and subscribe as well, but I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.